Alright, Joey, so you're going to be doing the same thing here. You gotta find the vertex. And to be clear again, the vertex is the dead center of the line. It's where, it's the center where it'll mirror out one way, or it could go up and mirror out that way. It's the center. So the vertex formula is negative b over 2a. So in this right here, there's a, b, and c. C is negative 12, b is negative 8, and a is negative 1. Even though there's no negative 1 written there, it's implied to be there because there's a negative sign. Now, for example, if this was a positive, or there was no negative there, it'd just be implied there is a 1 there. There's always going to be some kind of number in front of the x, even if it's not there. So negative b would be negative 8 negative, which would be a positive, because two negatives cancel out, over 2a. So it would be 2 times negative 1, which equals 8 over negative 2, which would equal negative 4. So that's the x of the vertex. So let's just draw this line, for example. It would be negative 4 as the x, going 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you have to find whether it's going up or down and where it falls. You have to plug negative 4 back in as x. So it would be negative 4 squared minus 8 times negative 4 minus 12. So negative 4 squared would be a positive 16, and there's a negative in front of it, so it would be negative 16 minus negative 8, or minus 8 times negative 4, which is going to end up being an addition because the negatives cancel out. And it's going to be plus 32, and then minus 12. So that's going to come out to 4. So the vertex is negative 4, comma 4. Negative 4, comma 4. So going back to here, go 1, 2, 3, 4 over, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 up. And just draw the little mirror mark there so you know that's the dead center of the line. So now, to find the next 2 points, really the easiest thing to do is to go to 0. Plug in 0 for that, for x. So if it was 0, there's nothing there, because 0 squared is 0, minus 8 times 0 is 0, and negative 12. So it would be 0, negative 12. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just sketching the graph, not really being 0, negative 12, and just write the vertex down up here again, negative 4, comma 4. So now, 0 is 4 away from negative 4. So we got to work the opposite way to get the final point. So negative 4 minus 4 would be negative 8. So we'd be going 8 over, and we got to plug that in. So it would be negative 8 squared minus 8 times negative 8 minus 12. So negative 8 squared is 64, and there's the negative in front of it. 64 minus 8 times 8 would be plus 64, because again, the negatives cancel out. I know it's weird, but you're subtracting a negative, which is a positive. So it'd be plus 64, and then minus 12. So those obviously cancel out, and then it's negative 12. So it'd be, the final point would be negative 8, negative 12, because again, we plugged in negative 8 and got negative 12. So there's negative 4, and they go 4 more over to get the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then negative 12. And that makes sense, because if you're going over 4 and you're going down 12 over here, you should be going over 4 and down 12 over here. And that's how you do it.